In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Wix account to connect payment options, create quick ways to get paid, and make sure your checkout is ready for customers. Start by opening your site's dashboard in Wix. This is your control center for everything related to your website and business. On the left-hand side, look for the option called Getting Paid. Click that. This section is designed to bring all your payment tools together so you don't have to hunt around for settings in different places. Inside Getting Paid, choose Connect and Setup. Think of this as your payments hub. It guides you through enabling the services you need, whether you're selling products, services, bookings, or accepting one-time payments. You'll see a prompt to connect payment methods. Select that, and then pick the payment providers you want to use. You might see options like card payments, digital wallets, or popular third-party processors. After you choose, Wix will walk you through each provider's connection flow. Follow the on-screen prompts and make sure your business details match what your payment provider expects. If your audience spans multiple countries or prefers certain wallets, choose the methods that align with how your customers like to pay. Once you've connected a method, you'll unlock simple tools to accept money without a full storefront. One great option is creating a pay link. This is a shareable link you can send by email, message, or embed in a button, and your customer can pay you securely in just a few clicks. From the same area, you can also create invoices. These are helpful when you want a more formal request for payment with a description, amount, and due date. Keep your item names and amounts clear so customers immediately understand what they're paying for. If you sell directly on your website, you can also implement your connected payment methods in your site's checkout. The checkout pulls in your active methods automatically, so customers see the options you've enabled when they're ready to buy. Make sure your product prices, taxes, and shipping rules are already set up in your store for a smooth buying experience, and keep your branding consistent so the checkout feels trustworthy from start to finish. That's all. You've clicked Getting Paid, chosen Connect and Setup, connected your payment methods, and now you can use pay links, invoices, or your site's checkout to accept money with confidence. Keep your payment options up to date as your business grows, and you'll be ready for customers wherever they choose to pay.